Alright, welcome back, Cheap Pete's Garage. Today we're just gonna do kind of a little fun cold start, will it run for the hell of it. A 95 Ford F150. It's got a 351 in it, and it's got a couple cylinders that don't fire, and it blows steam, so I'm pretty sure it's got a head gasket or a cracked head or something of that sort. But I thought I'd get out here and see if it'd start up for you guys. Do a little quick walk around this beat derelict old Ford. It's got hail dents all over the place, rust. It's a hoopty. But it did run this last fall anyway. So we're just going to try and see what happens. It has no converters on it. The exhaust, I cut it off. So it is loud. So we'll have a little fun if we can get it running and rev the shit out of it. All right, here we go. She's thinking about it. Well, she does run quite poorly, but loading up on gas bad and not firing on any, well, probably 6 of the cylinders maybe if you're lucky. And now it acts like it's running on 4. She runs like crap. It just smokes to beat the devil. Well, stay running, or is she gonna take and die on me? Burp, 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 burp. Looks like she's gonna die. Well, it did run anyway. that's bad. And then combine now, 2 cylinders don't work. You guys can watch all the smoke that rolls out of this thing. She likes that. Runs a little bit better for a little bit. Alright, I think I'm gonna go find a hose and air up that tire and see if it'll drive around the yard here. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Got the tire aired up. Put a little more gas in the tank. We're gonna rip it around the yard here a little bit and see what it'll do. Will she start? Oh yeah, she's starting. Alright, let's see this thing will take and spin a cookie in the yard. Well, I hope you guys seen that. It does take a spin cookies, kind of. That's $5 first gear. I could run's kind of a little bit better now. Except for when it died, I don't know if I was losing fuel or what. Because there ain't much gas in the tank, so maybe spinning around I lost gas. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she got oil all over now. Not sure where it's coming from. But then again, it runs a little better. She kind of gets to smoking a little bit when you start red blending her. Getting all the oil all over it. Well, anyway. So I thought I'd make a little video, have a little fun, playing with this piece of crap old Ford. Thought I would spin it around, see what it does. Well, hope you guys enjoy content like that. This one ain't a typical one I take and do of beating the crap out of vehicles, but this one's a shitbox, for lack of better words. So I figure, what the hell. So anyway, well, if you guys like content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, what have you. So, until the next one, thanks for watching. Bye.